I am Sharon Tinberg, and I train people how to train people to clean houses. If you are a cleaning service owner or manager, I have a question for you. Has there ever been a day when you woke up in the morning and said to yourself, what in the world was I thinking? Why did I quit a good, steady paying, regular job to eat hot dogs and listen to people scream at me? I would guess if you have owned your cleaning service for 1 year or more, you have had a few of those mornings. And sadly, there really isn't anyone who you can share your feelings and frustrations with, because no one can really understand how you feel. Well, I would like to invite you to an event that will have 40 to 50 people in the room that do exactly what you do and know exactly how you feel. That in itself is worth attending, the ISSA Residential Regional Event in Charleston, South Carolina, August 21st. But the real unique thing about this event is that more than 50% of the attendees will be producing more than $1 million a year and actually love what they are doing for a living. The other unique benefit about this event is that these owners are more than willing to share with you how they got where they are so you can get there too. They will share their numbers with you. They will open up their books and share their profit margins with you. They will share their ideas of how to get more cleaners, leads, and clients. But again, a really unique feature of this event is that they will share their caring hearts with you, and some of them will become your new amazing friends. Besides meeting a lot of people in your industry, it will also be a day packed with new knowledge, ideas, and fun. The day kicks off at 9 o'clock when I will spend 3 hours sharing with you how I train trainers to train cleaners how to clean a house. I owned a residential cleaning service in Austin, Texas for 20 years. I sold it in 2008, at which time we were cleaning 495 homes per week with 60 employees. 54 were cleaners. We were producing $1.98 million a year. And in the past 15 years, I have been a coach and traveled to 58 offices training trainers how to train cleaners. In the afternoon, you will have the opportunity to listen to some of those $1 million plus owners speak about how they recruit their employees, keep them on the job, and turn them into long-term professional staff members with the same commitment you have to the success of your business. The owner presentations will also cover business expenses, benchmarks, and numerous marketing ideas. All of this in one day. It is really an amazing event. When we were at the regional event in St. Louis 3 months ago, I had 2 franchise owners tell me they wish their national conventions were as informative as this one-day regional event. But wait, there's more. It is held at the office of a very successful cleaning service, Castle Keepers, and Tom Stewart will give you a tour of his 2 million plus company so you can see how they operate. The last unique feature of this event is that it is remarkably inexpensive because we really want you to come. Simply click below and I will see you in Charleston on August 21st.